Elise Dunn. She gave a real testimony in December 7 and 8, a transformative experience, parental expertise and insight by trainer Mr. Ken Lau. During the key studies session, I posed a challenge to Mr. Lau regarding the possibility of automating a system, a significant money reporting task that we could consume 300 minutes. Mr. Lau's approach was passively, though yet efficient. He methodically analyzed my situation by asking targeted questions, which helped pinpoint areas for improvement. In less than 30 minutes, Ms. Lau not only identified the crux of the issue, but also provided a solution that reduced my task time to less than 1 minute. 1 minute. Just as a reduction, time has been a game changer for my paternity. And we just see how did that happen. I now need to learn to fully own my strengths. Knowledge and reframe my ability. Stop seeing your programming background as just technical knowledge. It's actually a superpower in business. You're not just a trainer or business owner. You're a system thinker, strategist, and optimizer. Oh, identity I learned programming before, but now I'm running a training business. New identity. I'm a business strategy architect who applies structured problem solving, optimizations, and systemization to help clients grow and scale efficiently. Recognize my value that I bring to clients, my ability to break down problems, visualize process, and optimize systems make me more than just a service provider. I'm a trusted advisor. Start positioning yourself as someone who identifies root cause quickly, not just surface level. Create repeatable, scalable solutions using SOP, checklist, automation. Transform complexity into clarity with structured frameworks. 3. Leverage these strengths in my business. Now that I know my strength, I gotta use strategically. Systemize, creativize the same way you would optimize a program, create SOP and automate workflow. Communicates with clients using process visualization. Flowchart checklist to make solutions easier to understand. Package your service like software solutions, structured, scalable, and repeatable. Embrace your natural soft skill. Your problem-solving mindset naturally makes you a strong, strategic thinker, coach, and consultant. Lean into that. You're not just a trainer, you help people restructure and optimize their own system. Right? It's related, it's relevant to their 5. Take bold action and own your authority. Write your personal narrative. I am an expert in structured problem solving and systemization. I help businesses and professionals scale with clarity and efficiency. Speak with confidence. When talking to clients, use words like systemize, optimize, streamline, and structure because that's your strength. Create a signature framework. Package your unique process into a model, a creativized systemization blueprint to showcase your expertise. Thank you. You already earned your credibility over 18 years. Now it's about stepping into this role fully, unapologetically. Thank you. Thank you for yet another amazing ride. I have before attending NLAO's training, I used to spend over 10 minutes daily compiling the weekly manually. Spend 10 minutes. After just 90 minutes of his coaching, I can now generate the report with a single click, saving significant time and reducing stress. This automation has led to a 99% reduction in the time spent on this task. Now you know why it can be done. right? Whether it's ChatGPT, it's all right. I have this soft skill in me, right? As a trained programmer, that nobody hired me.